In an ever-growing economy, there is a constantly growing demand for power. For every existing power plant, this means operating with as little downtime as possible. Reason for downtimes can often be found in the cooling water cycle. Leaks and performance loss, to be specific. On one hand, even the most modern filtration systems cannot prevent small solids and algae reaching the tube sheets, which eventually lead to a loss in performance by causing biofouling and scaling. On the other hand, mere erosion and galvanic corrosion between tubes and the tube sheet will result in leaks to the condenser. As a result, tubes have to be plugged or tube sheets retubed, leading to long and costly downtimes. plastocor offers an environment-friendly solution to all these problems. Introducing plastocor's tube sheet cladding system. Plastocor's tube sheet cladding is the ideal way to refurbish old tube sheets or to protect new ones from day one. After grit blasting and thorough surface preparation, the tube sheets and inlets are ready for coating. Using a unique technology to increase the water flow and reduce turbulence, the rigid P2000 epoxy cladding is applied approximately 5 mm thick onto the tube sheet. Thereby, the cladding replaces lost substrate material and rebuilds the tube sheet to near new condition, protecting it against any further erosion or galvanic corrosion caused leakage. Experience has shown a possible life extension of 25 years and more. Introducing plastocor's tube inlet and outlet protection system. In combination with plastocor's tube sheet cladding, this really is the ideal lifetime extension system for all tube sheets. In the first 150 to 200 mm of the tube, erosion is at its maximum due to turbulence of the cooling water. Here, 3 layers of P400 ceramic coating will repair and further protect the tubes. And since the layers are applied with feather termination, they help eliminate the chance of step erosion. The 3 layers are applied in different colours, showing you the remaining thickness of layer at any given time, and therefore making it easy to schedule a potential renewal. Introducing plastocor's tube lining system. With its patented tube lining equipment, plastocor offers the best technology available to coat small caliber tubes internally on their entire length, and thus stopping corrosion and erosion as well as reducing biofouling and dramatically prolonging the tube's lifespan. Plastocor tube lining is a unique on-site application system that can be carried out during any scheduled outage. In addition, the costs of tube lining run at a fraction of those of retubing. So if you need to buy time to budget a full retubing, plastocor's tube lining is the ideal option to avoid additional downtime. All plastocor products used are 100% solids, non-VOC epoxies. And as a result, plastocor contributes greatly to the protection of resources and of our environment. plastocor-international supplies the technology, machinery and services to conduct full-length tube coatings worldwide, and helps extend the lifespan of damaged tubes as well as tube sheets, water boxes, in fact the entire cooling water cycle, including cooling water lines and intake buildings. Plastocor, as the technological market leader in this field, has protected and extended the lifespan of thousands of condensers and heat exchangers since 1958.